Welcome to HGK Biochemistry channel. Today's topic is hypersensitivity, nothing but allergy. Hypersensitivity or allergy is the altered response shown by vertebrate body. It is a type of increased reactivity in some individual to certain antigen or foreign substances which leads to unpleasant histopathological changes. This hypersensitivity divided into two types depending upon the response shown by vertebrate body. One type is called immediate type of hypersensitivity and other is called delayed type of hypersensitivity. Immediate type of hypersensitivity having sub three types: type 1, type 2 and type 3. Delayed type of hypersensitivity having type 4. In immediate type, as the name suggests, immediate response shown, and type 4 is included in the delayed type. The duration of the response is late as compared to the immediate type of hypersensitivity. The type of antigen which involved to show this allergic reaction when there is evoking of the vertebrate immune system, the type of antigen is called as allergen, and the complementary antibodies which are produced in response to the allergen, these are called reagents. Generally, IgE type of antibodies participate in the allergic reaction. There are pop hypersensitivity with specific examples. Before starting with different types of immediate type of hypersensitivity as type 1, 2, 3, we go to the historical background of allergy. The term allergy, coined by scientist Van Triquet, he coined the term allergy on the basis of observation of animals. It is a normal type of defense mechanism. For allergic condition, the person may come in contact with foreign substance or allergen in two different parameters. First is sensitization dose and second one is shocking dose. Then he observed that inoculation of egg albumin or tentacles of sea anemone which contain the toxin, if such type of substances which are foreign to the vertebrate body, if such type of tentacles of sea anemone, for example, which contains the toxin injected in experimental animal like guinea pig, then expected results are there is production of the protective antibodies against that tentacles as a antitoxin antibodies. If egg albumin is injected, then there is production of the complementary antibodies, protective antibodies against the egg albumin by first dose. Subsequent injection of the second dose of the same uh, sea anemone tentacles or egg albumin, then results are surprising that there is death of the animal takes place. Why it is so? Why such type of uh, drastic response or different altered response shown by the body? So there is no any protective mechanism to produce the antibodies against that foreign particle, which is nothing but prophylaxis, but the response is drastically different against the prophylaxis, so he coined the term anaphylaxis. So anaphylaxis is a type of repeated injection is given in the second dose after a period of week or more than a 2 week. Then surprisingly, there are some complications in that experimental animal, difficulties in breathing, suffocation, restlessness, etc. So such type of symptoms may lead to the direct anaphylactic shock and the experimental animal uh, dead. So such type of experiment continuously carried out on dogs, guinea pigs, etc. After shocking dose, lead to the complications in the experimental animal, which is responsible for death of that animal. So was such type of difference or different reaction shown in this type of allergy as nothing but systemic anaphylaxis. They conclude that this is against the prophylaxis, so coin the term anaphylaxis. So apart from this systemic anaphylaxis, the different examples are there in type 1 type of reaction. So in the type 1 reaction is generally due to the production of vasoactive amines or liberation of the vasoactive amines, which are responsible for smooth muscle contraction as well as vasodilation below the capillary or inside the capillary below the skin. Redness swelling is there, which is responsible for will flare reaction or rashes on the skin. So the redness swelling and rashes on the skin, they are also responsible for this type of observation in type 1 allergy. So the first type 1 of allergy having different examples as systemic anaphylaxis, different examples as food allergy, asthma, fever, etc. This type it is or substances. Antigen is allergen when enter inside the vertebrate body. The antibodies which are produced under the influence of this allergen is IgE. The IgE antibody bound on the surface of mast cell or on the surface of basophiles. So if this is the mast cell or basophile, then due to binding of this type of IgE antibody which is in contact with the allergen, this is the allergen, then there is degranulation of vasoactive amines which are present in basophile or mast cell. This degranulation results in a release of these substances which are nothing but histamines, bradykinins, slow reacting substances, heparin, etc., which are responsible for vasodilation and smooth muscle contraction. Histamine is synthesized from the amino acid histidine. There is decarboxylation of amino acid histidine to produce the histamine. So histidine is converted into histamine. So this histamine as one of the vasoactive amine substance, heparin as well as serotonin. Serotonin is synthesized from amino acid tryptophan. So tryptophan by decarboxylation and hydration converted into 5-hydroxytryptamine. So tryptophan converted into 5-hydroxytryptamine, nothing but serotonin. So this granules bradykinin, which is activated Hodgman's factor required for blood clotting, then slow reacting substances, these are the peptides, then serotonin, histamine, all these are mediators of anaphylaxis which are involved in type 1 type of allergic reaction, and they are responsible for vasodilation, smooth muscle contraction, capillary permeability, etc. So these are the mediators of systemic anaphylaxis which involve histamine, slow reacting substances, bradykinin, Hodgman's factor, serotonin, etc.